ASL 3, Unit 19, sharing interesting facts. Okay, for Unit 19, the grammar concepts aren't new. Okay, we do a lot of setting things up to compare them. We do a lot of listing. So it's not new, it's just mostly a review of the grammar concepts and adding new vocab into that, and sharing interesting facts. This is a fun unit. They're random facts, but they're fun to learn. Okay. So for this first part, so translating facts, we're going to be doing these 4 things. So we're talking about a whole part, which we are going to be throwing statistics. We're throwing statistics out using statistics. We're going to be listing or ranking items, comparing items, and then we're going to be illustrating a fact. We are going to be explaining random facts to people. Okay, so this first part, the whole part. Okay, and using statistics. So for these purposes, for this section of this unit, we're going to be either using percentages, fractions, or what the book likes to call ratio. Okay, so the first part is you are going to set up the topic that you are talking about. Okay, and you're going to keep your eyebrows up on that part because it's the topic. Okay, you are then going to talk about a percentage or a fraction or a ratio, okay? And then you have to explain the rest of it. So if you were to say like 30% of English is lip readable, you can't end there. You have to do 70% of English is not lip readable. Your number has to equal 100 at the end of your sentence after you share the fact, okay? So here's, let me move my face. Here is an example to so that you can understand the grammar setup. So you're always starting with your topic. So for this example is that 25% of women are addicted to chocolate. Okay, so we're going to assign our topic, which is women. So we're going to go women, and then we have to assign all over. Okay, you are then going to lean for each number because remember it needs to be equal to 100%. So on one side we're going to say that 25%, on the other side we're going to say the 75%. Okay, you're going to do the same thing for your fractions, 1/4 versus 3/4. Okay, so I'm going to go and do the percentage one as an example. So you go women all over. On one side, it doesn't matter which side you lean, 25%. Okay, you make a Z with a 0. Addicted, pretend to hook your lip, chocolate. Okay, you then have to lean to the other side to finish your percentage. Other side, 75% not addicted to chocolate. Okay, same idea for the fraction. So women all over, 1/4, you just make a fraction, addicted to chocolate. Other side, 3/4, not addicted to chocolate. Okay. What the book calls a ratio. Okay. You still start the same, women all over. Okay, but you're not going to lean. You're going to set up the total as a group, and then you're going to pull people out. Okay, so we're saying 1 in 4 women or 25%. Okay, so our group is 4. Okay, so we're going to say suppose group. I'm going to set my group up on my non-dominant side. Okay, because I need my dominant side to pull people out. So suppose group 4. I'm going to put a 4 in the group. Okay, there's 4 in them. 4 in that group. I'm going to pull 1 out. My 1 is now in front of my dominant shoulder, addicted to chocolate. Okay. I'm going to put my group back with my non-dominant. I'm going to say the remaining 3 that are still in this group are not addicted to chocolate. Okay. So I only pull out that 1. because she's unique. And then the 3 stay in the group. Okay. So that's a review. You set up your topic, you use the fraction, the percentage, and you have to finish it, make sure it's complete to 100. Okay. So, for this practice part, the prompt from your book, workbook page 32, again, separate video. Okay. There is 1 through 12. Okay. I have put at the end of each sentence what I want you to do. Also what I have filmed myself doing as an example. Okay. I have also, if you look at number 5, I have also done the math for you. Okay. So I will do an example from this page before moving on. I will just do number 1 because it's a ratio, so we can practice those. So 1 in 12 deaf children has deaf parents. So we're talking about deaf children, okay? So deaf children all over, and it's a ratio. So suppose group 12, I'm going to pull out that 1 has deaf parents, okay? Put my group back. The remaining 11 in this group has hearing parents, okay? Let's go to the second page. Let me do a different one. Okay, number 12. 40% of Americans say they dream in color. 23% of Americans say they dream in black and white. And then the remaining is 37%. Okay, so I take this as 37% maybe do both, dream in color and black and white. Or it could also be 30% of Americans don't remember their dreams. Everybody dreams, but that 30% could have no idea because they never remember that. So whatever you want for that 37% is fine. Okay, but as long as you do all 3. Okay, so we have Americans all over. 40% dream in color. 23% dream black and white. 37% don't remember their dreams. Okay, done. Okay, the next part for this video, listing. Okay, you guys have been listing since unit or level 1, talking about members of your family and such. Okay, so ranking in the top 5. First, you talk about establish your topic, whatever you're talking about. Let's say TV shows. Okay, ask a rhetorical question like, what are the top 5 TV shows right now? And then you list them on your non-dominant. Done. Easy. Okay. If you're talking about what is of these 5 shows, the most popular is whatever. Okay, so establish your topic again, TV shows. You're going to list those, let's say 5 on your non-dominant. Then you ask your rhetorical question, which is the most popular, and then you point to this one and do whatever one it is. Okay, and say what it is. It's a lot simpler that you guys know this. It was hard to say out loud, but we'll I'll give you an example. Okay, so again, separate YouTube video for workbook page 33 through 34. These are facts 1 through 5, and also 6 through 9. Okay, so as an example, number 1, the best-selling books are in order: the Bible, cookbooks, and books on child raising. So we establish our topic. Okay, so best-selling books. What? Ask our rhetorical question. 3. Jesus book. Cookbooks. Books about children raising. Okay. And then I want to do, let's do number 8 because this one has you list them first. Okay. So 3 men. Number 1, Abraham Lincoln, AL, because of his top hat. Okay, Napoleon Bonaparte, or you put your hand right here and rub, because whenever he would give a speech, he would stick his hand in his suit jacket, how it was buttoned, his hand would rest right there. Okay, and then Winston Churchill, doesn't have a name sign. Okay, so of these 3, has more books written about him. Which? Eyebrows up, because it's a rhetorical. You put your 3 back, and then the answer is Napoleon. You point to number 2, Napoleon. Okay, that would be how you list them first. Okay, that is going to be it for this video. Make sure you come back for Unit 19, Part 2 for the rest of this unit.